everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a stunning sand art portrait masterpiece using Vivid AI. So Vivid AI is an AI-powered creative platform that will help you to generate and transform images into a creative AI content. Like in here, we will use this platform to turn any photo into a stunning sand art portrait masterpiece. And if you want to try this tool yourself, just click the link in the description and pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open PPTI like this, and then next just go to Image Studio, and then just choose AI Designs and then next just upload your photo that you want to transform. For example, in here I want to choose this one, and then next just write your prompt on here. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it. Like in here I wrote the prompt like this: create a photorealistic scene of the uploaded person standing beside a large illuminated sand art table, blah blah blah, like this. And then next just choose your AI model, and then in here just choose your resolutions, and then just choose your ratio, and then after that just simply click submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you can see it. That's it. In just a few moments, your photo will be transformed into a beautiful scene featuring you alongside a realistic sand art portrait masterpiece like this. I think it's so cool and it's beautiful. And okay, that's it. Next, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.